So you might be in this really weird situation where for some reason your Android phone is stuck in headphone only mode. Now what does that mean? Well, basically it means that no matter what happens, your Android phone thinks that you're trying to play songs from your headphones when in reality you're trying to play it from your speaker. Now, the way to go and fix this, number one, is to go ahead and just to make sure that your Bluetooth device that you were playing songs with or whatever isn't actually still connected. So what you can do here is you can make your way over to your Android settings. So hop into settings just like right here. And then what you're going to be is, able to come into a panel like this. What we want to do is we want to click on either, network and internet or connected devices, whichever way, whatever your Bluetooth devices connection settings are. And all we're going to want to do here is we want to go ahead and basically click on either, whichever device is still connected. So you can choose whichever one. And what you're going to want to do is just temporarily disconnect from it. So if you're connected, just disconnect from it. And what will happen there is that it'll no longer play those songs from those speakers because it's disconnected, or those headphones. It'll not play it from your speaker. Now, if that doesn't seem to be working, the next thing you may want to try making sure is the charger. Sometimes because our phones don't have headphone ports anymore, at least most of them, you may want to make sure that that charger you're using doesn't think that it's actually a pair of headphones. So if you're plugged in, if you're charged up, go ahead and unplug your phone, plug it back in, and you want to see if that ends up kind of addressing this problem and fixing it as well. Which again, for a lot of people, that might end up fixing it for you. So that might be another thing I recommend looking into as well. If that doesn't end up working, try restarting your phone. So hold down the buttons you normally would to restart your device. Go ahead, power it off, give it a few seconds, power it back on, and you'd be surprised how easy of a fix that can possibly be to fix this particular problem. So those are kind of the main ways to go into it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, till then.